everyone to TCO1 community. I am Tara from grade 10. Let's rewind to the most memorable event that unfolded in the first week of November at TCO1. During this week, from November 1st to 3rd, the TCO1 Science Expo illuminated World Science Day, showcasing our students' commitment to nature conservation through seed bombs and a range of eco-friendly projects. The competitive spirit was electric, making it a celebration of dedication to a more eco-conscious world. Fast forward to November 6th and 9th, and TCO1 was buzzing with a vibrant Science Week. Little scientists in grades 1 to 2 and students in grades 3 to 5 engaged in hands-on activities, from DIY experiments to a friendly competition. Thanks to students, parents and educators for fostering a love for learning and scientific inquiry. Jumping to November 10th, TCO1 came together to celebrate Diwali and Children's Day. The day was filled with heartfelt performances, a skit on the triumph of good, and a rocking show that made this festival a great success, allowing us to relive the magic of childhood. And that's our rewind of the exciting events at TCO1. Thanks for joining us and stay tuned for more updates. I am Tara, signing off. Have a wonderful day ahead.